We will talk about how Starlink Roam Unlimited really works in the USA. Starlink Roam has changed the landscape of mobile satellite internet for yachts and boats. Many users misunderstand its role. Roam offers nationwide mobility and unlimited data, but it's deprioritized. Performance drops in crowded coastal areas. That's why professional vessels don't rely on Roam alone. Instead, they blend Starlink Roam, Priority Starlink, and LTE 5G. They use the MDS Blender Marine Network router to automatically select the fastest, most reliable connection. This system is professionally designed and installed by Concord Marine Electronics. It uses advanced equipment like the KVH Starlink Performance Gen 3 kit and the KVH HP Starlink Flat Panel Terminal Kit with TrackNet, Coastal Pro 5G Wi-Fi Compact Terminal with TrackNet Hub, all working together to create a seamless, high-performance marine internet experience. Shop LTE, shop 5G, and shop Starlink to start building your own blended yacht internet system today.